University Canada in ECE stream. And later that my brother has referred me to pyspiders Punjagutta to do some course on Python full stack. And Santosh sir is my faculty on Python. He helped me in to gain knowledge on this Python by giving some practical knowledge, by giving some exercises. Coming to web technology, Geeta madam is my trainer in web technology. She gave us some exercises to do to build up our technology, our skills on web technology. Coming to SQL, Sanjay sir is my trainer on SQL, and he given many exercises, and it helps us to gain and achieve the technology knowledge on it. Later that I have attended up to 4 or 5 interviews. In that I have lacked in aptitude knowledge, so I have attended 2 aptitude classes which they have provided. This was taught by Vaibhav sir. It was so helpful for me to gain knowledge on the aptitude, and I have practiced it on by my own in the hostel, and have gained knowledge on it. Due to several interviews, I am lacking in the communication also, and they have provided us for the presentation skills, which is so helpful for me to reduce the stage fear and everything. Finally, I have got placed as a Python developer. Thank you.